Hello! So, today I'm going to make banana bread. I've made this a couple times. Let's start. Okay, we need 2 eggs. We need 3 bananas, which we have. So first we blend together eggs, oil, and bananas. I'm going to first mash the bananas in a bowl. Now we add, I like to use potato mashers to mash the bananas. So here we have 3 mashed bananas, 2 eggs. Oh no, that was the worst. Possible way. I've never cracked an egg so poorly. Now we add, it says buttermilk, but I do not eat dairy, so we will use almond milk. How much almond milk? 1/3 of a cup. One-third of a cup. Now 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Canola oil supposedly has less of a taste or is lighter than olive oil. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, okay. That's a lot of oil. Now we blend them together. We will use a spatula. All right, now, okay, we need the sifter. I don't know where the sifter is. Oh wait, I didn't sift it. Oh well. 1/2 cup of sugar, which I did not sift. After the sugar, I guess I'll try to stir it in. I think I need a bigger bowl. Next is flour. Because I live in a high altitude, I've discovered this thing called high altitude flour, aka Hungarian flour. We need 1 3/4 of a cup. Wait, sifter, okay. 1. How am I gonna do this? This bowl is too small. Okay, now I'm taking 1/2 cup of pecans. And we're done, yay! Now we pour it into here. I think we have a lot more than just this. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Okay.